Hi guys, this is Jewel here. I hope you are having an amazing day. It's been quite some time since I've come to you live here on video, but wanted to check in and see how your year is going, and wanted to touch base and share a little bit about what I'm seeing here in New York City in the market for staging, and share a few tips with you if you have clients who fit this profile. So hopefully you'll find some value here, and I hope business is going great for you as we get ready to head into the spring. So I have been working with quite a few estate clients, and they tend to be a little different than clients who are either living in a home or in a property that has already been brand new, already renovated. And I wanted to share some tips if you come across clients like this who need a little help in getting prepared for sale. And so oftentimes in these cases, these homes have a lot of stuff in the apartment. Typically the furniture may be dated, and oftentimes the family does not live here in New York City, and so they are looking for trusted resources like you and like me, and people who can help them to prepare their loved one's property for sale. And so one of the first steps that I always recommend is for, of course, the family to decide what items they want to keep. And outside of that, once they've decided what items they want to keep, I then recommend to them resources for either disposing of furniture, donating furniture, and in most cases, the family will hire Grand Properties to take care of all of that for them. And then typically we'll do minor updates. Oftentimes these properties are outdated and in need of full renovations, but the families generally do not want to put the investment in to doing full renovations. And so in those cases we will do minor updates, because as we all know, we don't want buyers to come in and feel like there's a humongous job ahead of them. And so a lot of buyers, they want something that feels doable for them. It may not necessarily be completely move-in ready, but it should feel like a doable project if there are updates. And so minor updates from painting to changing fixtures, even redoing floors. Those are all things that we've done for estate clients at Grand Properties. And so if you have estate clients, I certainly recommend that you always encourage them to do minor updates at a minimum, and clearing the apartment, and then a light staging for the optimal presentation when they are going out to the market. So hope that helps. If you have projects like this, or you have questions about projects that are coming up, I'd be happy to chat with you. You can reach me at jewel@grandprop.com, or you have replied to this email, and I'd be happy to be in touch with you.